Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mel, and welcome to another massive Rae Dunn Halloween haul. Yes, I think I have outdid myself this year. I counted my mugs yesterday and I have 43 mugs. Okay, 43 mugs. It is not included my JP mugs, my canisters, my cauldrons, none of those stuff. Just mugs is 43 Halloween mugs. Really? Did I need that much mugs? No, but I love them. I like a specific set of mugs that is from Halloween, but I think I have most of the mugs that I wanted, but I think I'm missing one or two that I really do want. So I was thinking to myself, is this my largest collection? No. I know my Christmas collection is huge, but Halloween and my Easter collection is a tie. And I think if I were to add in all of the non-Rae Dunn Halloween items and the non-Rae Dunn Easter items with those collection, I think they'll both be tying. But anyway, let me stop rambling. So this video is going to be a bit different. I will be sharing the pieces with you guys, but I won't be talking. I find that I will get through the video much quicker, much easier, much more straight to the point, and let's move on instead of me rambling. I do want to say thank you to Trish for helping me find majority of these items. If it wasn't for her, I wouldn't have nothing, because I couldn't get to hunt. And also to Lisa, there's a couple in here that she did get for me months ago, but I didn't share it in the other haul, so I'm just going to include those in here as well. And yeah, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with the larger items, and then I'm going to move on to the mugs, because the mugs are the most stuff. And here we go. Alright guys, so this next piece, it is a piece from a previous year release. They have not bring these back, and this is one of my Halloween unicorns, and I got this piece off of Mercari. I was not going to let Halloween go this year without getting it. I had to have it. This was a must-have for me. It might not be a must-have for you guys, but I didn't pay that much. It was a pretty penny, but it didn't go over the amount that I see some of the things on Mercari. are going for, and I had to have it in my collection. To me, it's vintage. It's a gold mine, and it comes in 2 pieces, so I'm going to share with you guys this lovely piece. Okay, so this next piece I created on my own. I'm going to show you guys the finished product, and also I'm going to insert a clip of me, the before I should say, and the after, but I'm going to share with you guys the finished product. I already shared it on Instagram a while back, but I wanted to include it in this video. So alright y'all, so this is my egg tray, and I will show you with you guys how it looks going around. And this is something I DIY. There you go. And I added a decal on it that says witch's eyeballs, and when I decorate, the witch's eyeballs will be in them. But I hope you guys will like it, because you know I love it. It's different. I wish Rae Dunn came out with a black version, the small black version. I know they have the long one, but I wish she came out with a smaller version of this here. So it says witch's eyeballs, and this was my little DIY Halloween project. Alright guys, so that is it for those larger items. I'm gonna move on to the mugs. I hope this video isn't that long, but I have a lot of mugs, and I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. So that is it. It is a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul that I have just showed you guys. Those are the pieces that I have gotten and have found for Halloween. I know it was a massive haul. I know it was a lot, but I hope you guys enjoyed those pieces, and I hope you guys were able to find the pieces that you guys were looking for as well. And if you had some unicorns this year or from the previous year, I hope you guys have found them, because I have found mines, and I have another unicorn that was found by Trish, but I don't have it with me today. But I will share with you guys it in my next Halloween haul video, which is coming soon. It isn't a Rae Dunn Halloween haul. It is just a regular Halloween decor haul. Yes, I think I went overboard on that one too. So if you guys want to see all the spooky and cute finds of my Halloween decorations, make sure you guys come back and watch that video. It'll be out probably right after this one. Thank you so much for showing your support. Thank you guys for always coming through and watching your girl's video and liking and subscribing and commenting. I really like talking to you guys in the comment section. It really means a lot to me. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Be safe. Peace.